Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Cece and I'm back with another video. In this video, as you can tell by the title, I'll be showing you guys how I do my glitter lip glosses and tinted lip glosses. Probably not all of it, but just a little. And before I do that, make sure you guys go subscribe to my channel, add me on Instagram, and stay tuned.
The one for me, you ain't got shit I need. Want me to take my time with you? Maybe I'm not your speed, maybe I'm not your league. You ain't even got no cheese. Maybe I'm just too G for you, maybe I'm just too street. I can even roll in peace. Everybody.
So I bought this glitter from Amazon and it's about $12.99 and it's the very fine glitter, so you won't be able to fill it on your lips. The lip gloss base is from TKB Trading, as you can already tell because it has the logo on the front, and I'm just going to pour some of that into a container, not too much because I didn't want too many lip glosses in this color. The lip gloss tubes I'll be using is not from any particular vendor. I bought those from Amazon as well. I believe it was 80 count for about $20. I can't really remember, but it's 80 of them that I bought. The syringe I bought is also from Amazon and I paid $10 for about 6 of them, and this is the preservative oil. This, you have to use that if you plan on selling your lip glosses because it will make it last a little longer. I was trying to record on my phone as well to post videos on Instagram, so that's why I'm looking a little retarded. So now I'm just going to be pouring the glitter into the gloss base. Now I'm just mixing it up, and I'm going to add like 3 teaspoons of the coconut oil. And the coconut oil I also bought from Amazon, and it was for the price of $16.99, I believe. By the way, I didn't record my whole recipe. This is just part of it. I'm just trying to show you guys the little steps that I take to make the glitter lip gloss. So you're going to have to research your own oils and the oils that you actually want to use in your lip gloss. The lip gloss was too thick, so I started adding some more coconut oil. You can also do this to lighten it up. When I'm using the preservative oil, I do not measure it. I just pour it to my... You're just gonna have to eye it. I'm just so happy that I found the bigger syringes on Amazon because the smaller ones were giving me such a hard time. It was so hard to get the lip gloss actually in the tube. And this one is just way easier, so make sure you get the big ones. I believe that one is the 60 ml. The droppers are also from Amazon, and I can't remember the price I paid for it or the size, but I did get 200. So I didn't have to cut the dropper because it fits the syringe perfectly, but I didn't realize that before I did it because the previous syringes that I bought from Amazon, they were too small, and I had to really like cut the dropper down more and tape it to it. But with this one I didn't have to do that. I didn't even have to cut it. So I already have a video on me filling up tubes and the proper way to fill up your tubes. I will leave that in the description down below. Now I'm just going to be adding the caps on because I'm pretty much finished. I am taking email orders for anybody who would like to order any lip glosses, whether it's wholesale or just regular single lip glosses. And my email is beautybyc93@gmail.com. And if you guys want to book an appointment, it's the same email until my website is up. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. See you in my next video. Mwah.